Natalie, time to get up.
Okay, thank you. That is exactly what my yawns are like when my alarm goes off. Last year, the film Jurassic World put dinosaurs back in the pop culture map. The fourth movie in the series, starring Minnesota native Chris Pratt, made more than $1.6 billion at the box office. Pretty incredible. Doesn't it give you chills when you see that scene?
I mean, the movie's fun,
yeah,
but it's even more fun to see something like that in person, right?
Which is what we did. So there's a new summer exhibit on the extinct beasts. It's set to open up today.
And as Natalie and I both learned, the experience has Jurassic-sized fun for the entire family. So even on a rainy day, or maybe especially on a rainy day with the mist and the fog, this really feels like you're in the rainforest and these guys are stalking you.
Yeah, it's not quite Minnesota back here, but you have to tread carefully. It's a little difficult to see what might be hiding in the bushes when there's this much mist. Dinosaurs are a favorite year in and year out, which is why we have them coming back to the zoo for the third time, even though they're different dinosaurs than we've had in the past. But there is always a new crop of children that are excited by both the fact that these are extinct animals that lived a long time ago, but also that they could be really big and really unusual too. But now you are about to enter a different time zone. So the clock has to spin backwards in order for you to step through the portal and experience dinosaurs. This is a very bird-like dinosaur, even though it's not a direct relative of birds. It's got feathers and would have sat upon a nest like many birds do today. This particular one is called Siddipati and is found in the Gobi Desert in Mongolia.
Are you hungry? I think I heard your stomach growl.
My stomach. I think he's hungry.
So this is Allosaurus, who is attacking a Stegosaurus, and if you walk to the other side and look behind her, she's defending her young from the Allosaurus. And these are dinosaurs that would have lived at the same time period in North America, back during the Jurassic. Well, I do have to caution you that there is a nest of youngsters there. So I want to make sure that we don't get between Mama T-Rex and her babies.
All right, we loved it.
I give it 10 out of 10.
And I give it 6 out of 6. All right. Dinosaurs are at the zoo. And it's one of our 4 things to do today. You have to check it out. It's around for a while through Labor Day. Tickets are only $5 if you want to go. And you're at the zoo, so you can make a big day out of it. They've got a restaurant there and obviously all the regular exhibits.
Yep, and we're not just trying to sell this.
Yeah.
It really was a lot cooler
time.
yesterday
Yeah.
because it felt like a rainforest, and today again will be about the same.
It's a good plan B if you had a plan A to be out in the sun.